We have done a new world. This world doesn't exist.
అవునా
Full imagination, anything relating, it is only coincidence.
ఊరుకోండి చాలా మంది ఇళ్లలో వెళ్ళి అడగండి ఇదే స్టోరీ జరుగుతుంది ఇట్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్
Thank you all for coming. Thank you all for waiting. Thank you, press and media, for the continued support. Um, for a writer, for a director, there are very few actors. Whenever you write any story, their face comes to your mind. I think Nani sir is one such actor. And sir, thank you for coming today. You have made Darling the stage bigger. Thank you so much. I feel so privileged. I think you have paved way for a lot of new directors to come. You have given us confidence to write content, to write extraordinary content. Thank you so much, sir. I think I already took a lot of time in the trailer launch event. I thank my cast, my crew. Thank you, Jeevan Bhai. Thank you, Vishnu bro. Thank you, Katie. And thanks to all. Thank you to my amazing crew. My dear brother, Naresh bro. Thank you for everything. Thank you for being with me throughout the process. And thanks to all. Thanks to my editor, Pradeep. I think he's in holiday in Thailand after a lot of releases. So thank you, Pradeep. We miss you. And Vivek bro, thank you so much. I think just thank you is not the word for you, what you have rendered for this film. And Shamana, thank you. You've been a great support. I've earned a brother from you. Thanks to my producers, Niranjan sir and Chaitanya ma'am. Thank you so much for believing in me. From the day one of narration till today, there has only been, I've been only been appreciated and motivated. I've never got any questions in between. Thank you, Sitaram. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sunny. You guys have created the stage for me. And my Tambudu, Hemant, hey, thanks, Ra. Thanks for always being. It's a long journey we are going to go. And this Darling, it's a very special film for me. After 3 films, this is my first stage. This is my first pre-release event. It's my first stage here. And my family is here. Thank you, Shreya. Thank you, Ayan. I love you, Ayan. And with Darling, I think people are going to see a new version of Nabha. Thank you, Nabha. Thank you. Made Darling very special with the support, with the confidence you had on me. It's been really amazing. And Dashi, bro, I don't know what to say. It's been 3 years. It took us more than 3 years to make this film. And you've trusted the content. You've knocked doors. You've spoken to a lot of people. You opened all doors for me. You made the stage, made me stand here. Thank you. I love you. I want to see more of this AV and more applauses everywhere. When I journeyed with you to Vijayawada for the promotional tour, I felt very emotional. I felt very happy to see you, to see your growth. And Darling is coming on July 19th. All of you, please watch it. This film is made with so much love. And I think everybody have trusted me, trusted the vision. Thank you all. And ma'am, I want to tell you something.
వాట్సాప్ సరే చెప్పండి
I've been a huge fan of you. I have directed a lot of events like this. I've been in the backstage. I've seen a lot of anchors, but you are very, very special. You are very unique, and I like you for that. Thank you.
Thank you
and,
so much, Ram
And you
Garu.
made me believe Darling is a very big movie because when I heard Suma ma'am is hosting, I said, okay, we are doing a big film. Thank you for that.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ అక్నాలెడ్జింగ్ మీ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో జూలై 19 థియేటర్స్లో కలుద్దాము మన గురించి కూడా చెప్పేశారు మన మ్యాషప్ వీడియో కూడా ఇచ్చేసాను